Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to take a look at how you can view and manage all the packages that you install using Brew. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to install Brew Package Manager on your macOS machine. If you haven't watched my previous video, I will add the video link in the cards so you can view that. And after installation, in that video I also covered how you can install a package using Brew and what are the different packages that are available in Brew. So there are cast packages and simple Brew install packages. So the cast packages are the packages that require GUI in order to run, like there is some desktop application, so things like that. They are the packages that come under the cast category, and if you simply run brew install, that means that you are installing some command line package. So in this video we are going to take a look at how you can remove a package or update a package that you have installed on your machine using brew. So the first thing that you need to do is we need to find out what packages are installed on our system. So the command for that is brew list, and this will list out all the CLI packages that you have installed. And if you run brew cost list, this will list out all the GUI packages that you have installed on your system. So after that, if you want to update a package, what you need to do is you need to the command to update a cast package or any other package is what you need to do is type brew cast upgrade and the name of that package. So in this case I am going to upgrade Wireshark and hit enter, and now it is going to check in its repository if there are any updates available for that package, and it will automatically download that update and install that update on the package that we specified. As you can see over here, we have installed the latest update for Wireshark, so there are no upgrades available. So now what we need to do is we need to uninstall a package to see how that works. So in order to do that, what you need to do is brew. If it is a cast package, so you need to mention cast, and if it is a normal package, you can just type remove over here and the name of the package, cast remove, and the name of the package, and hit enter. And now it is going to uninstall that package, and it is going to ask for your administrative password, so just enter that and hit enter. And now it is going to start the process of uninstalling that package. As you can see over here, it is removing all the libraries that were required for that, and it uninstalled that cask package now. And if you now go ahead and search for Wireshark, you won't find that on your system. So this is how you can manage your packages that you installed using cask, brew cask or simple brew. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, or do comment down below, and do subscribe to our channel, like the video, and do hit that bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. And thanks for watching.